Now, what I wonder also is by having the ice in there, is it going to ruin the fizz? Or will it even have fizz once I pour milk in it? Let's just do. Now,
No, I'm gonna taste it. No, no, I can't.
okay, that actually tastes, just my finger tastes pretty good. Okay, here we go. Hey guys, Ubi here. Now, I'm a bus driver, and I've had a lot of people tell me about things to try. And now this actually came from another bus driver. Said some of her kids said to try Pepsi and milk. And at first, I'm like, that sounds really gross, disgusting, but it sounds like right up my alley. So I got a cup full of ice, and I have a brand new thing of Pepsi I just bought today, and I have some milk if I can get it out without spilling everything else. And of course, I'm going to go with the full fat milk because that's how we do it around here. We like the full flavor, full taste. So let's go ahead and give this a go. First, hear the fizz. Oh, there we go. So, question is, do I go half Pepsi and half milk? Um, I think I'm going to do. Now, what I wonder also is by having the ice in there, is it going to ruin the fizz? Or will it even have fizz once I pour milk in here? Let's just do. Yes. Now, I've heard that there was a show called Laverne and Shirley, and there was a character on that show. I remember that show. I don't think I've ever watched it, but I heard of a character on the show that that's what he drunk all the time. So after I finish this, and if I like it, I'm going to go watch Laverne and Shirley. So
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, Schlemiel, Schlemazel, Hasenbemp Incorporated. Need more Pepsi.
so I wonder if that's where Shirley Temples came from.
Mix it up a little bit, please. No, I was gonna taste it. No, now I can't.
Okay, that actually tastes just my finger tastes pretty good. Okay, here we go. Do you guys like root beer floats? Of course, this is Pepsi float. Oh yeah, okay.
No.
I think I prefer probably root beer and milk, but it's not that bad. Okay, let me just pour that out. Now I'm going to try. I'm going to do more milk this time.
Get that good milk pour. No, that's still half and half.
Now I'm going to put just a little, not that much Pepsi in there. Maybe a little more. Cheers. Um, I think I like it better with more Pepsi.
No,
Okay,
I'm
so
good.
I think I like better with more Pepsi than milk.
I'm good with just one taste.
I guess I need to do less because I'm going to get kind of full just drinking this right here. If I because I've also wondered myself about RC cola and cheerwine with milk. Now, since I liked more Pepsi than milk, I'm going to go ahead and just do a little more cheer wine. I'm just going to put a splash of milk.
Before you taste it, I do want to theorize as to what it will taste like.
It looks like strawberry.
I don't think the cherry is gonna mix very well with the milk.
Yeah, it looks like strawberry milk.
I'm gonna look at the top here. Yeah, that looks
Like bubbly chocolate milk. You didn't hit. You put the powder in, and you stirred it. You just didn't stir it up enough, so you still got like the powder flakes.
stir it up, but not with your finger this time, please.
Yeah, it looks like strawberry quick in a mason jar. That is going to be a no. Yeah, I don't. No, Cheerwine and milk does not go good together. That makes me wonder about the. I don't think RC and milk is going to go to good.
I'm gonna walk out here tonight, and the grass over there is gonna be dead.
I know. I have to rinse that grass out once we stop filming.
I think the RC Cola is probably gonna taste a lot similar to the Pepsi.
Yeah, I do believe so. I gotta say that's a no. Also, the Pepsi milk is better than. Oh no, we call RIL Rilk
Please
or
don't call it
Chilk.
don't call it pea milk either.
There you go, guys. Pepsi milk, okay. RC and Cheerwine milk, no, don't do that.